Hey, what's up guys? Got a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. We're going to do the headlights. These are the bulbs I'm going to be using. So we can get this bad boy focused. There we go. Extra visions, brighter down road, SYLVANIAs. Like 20 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description. So let's get started. Alright y'all, first things first, you're going to hit this bad boy right here. Pop it. It should just pop right open. And on this one, the passenger side is bad. It's located right here. So we're going to go ahead and get this off. To get this off, you just do a little half twist. Comes right off. Go counterclockwise. And then now we can see the back of the bulb right in here. Let me see if I can get it on the camera. Alright guys, switch to my phone here so I can show you this. There's this little retainer clip right here. Right here at the top. You push in, go to the side, let go. It falls down. Now, you reach in, and you grab your old bulb and pull it out. Right there, just like that. You can see those little notches on it. Alright, so you see this little notch down here on the bottom? That still goes in on the bottom. Let's see it for you. Right there, so we're just going to take this. Try to be gentle with it. Maybe in that hole. And it'll seep right in there. Just like that. See that notch on the bottom? You can see the notch. Now to get the retainer back on, you just pull up, push in, go to the left, and it locks in. Now it's retained. Now, take. There we go. And then that's how it looks assembled. Now we take our cap, put our cap back in, and just tighten it clockwise. Goes like a quarter turn, not even. That's it guys, you're done. And driver's side, you always want to do these at the same time. So same thing, make sure you're wearing gloves. You come in here, you're gonna pull your electrical off. Electrical goes to the side. Let's see if I can get in here like this. There we go. Electrical goes to the side. You got that retainer clip, push in, goes to the driver's side. And then you just pull the old bulb out. Grab your new bulb. Notch side goes down. Wiggle past all that stuff in there. Alright. So you got the bulb in, you just kind of got to wiggle it around. Now we're going to take that retainer, and we're going to bring it back. We're going to push down and then go toward the passenger side. So push it down, and then towards the passenger side. And then you're good. Take your connector for your electrical, and we're going to hook it in there. Alright, just showing you guys they work. New bulbs. Sweet. I did put LED fogs in. I have a video on those coming soon. They're super easy too. But alright guys, thanks for watching.